How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Face ID and Passcode. From the section, as usual, confirm with your iPhone passcode. After you confirm and open Face ID and Passcode, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Stolen Device Protection. And from here, as usual, if you want to turn off the Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone, tap on the Stolen Device Protection at the top. After you tap on that, a security delay will start for your iPhone. After you confirm with 1 hour, it will automatically turn off the Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone. So from here, you can manually turn off. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.